This is a test for our beamforming and speech enhancement algorithms, and I'm right now in a cafe with a lot of background noise. As you can see, there is music being played in the background, and there are also interferer speakers around me. This is a test for our beamforming and speech enhancement algorithms, and I'm right now in a cafe with a lot of background noise. As you can see, there is music being played in the background, and there are also interferer speakers around me. This is a test for our beamforming and speech enhancement algorithm, and I'm right now in a cafe with a lot of background noise. As you can see, there is music being played in the background, and there are also interferer speakers around me.